Moving away from linearity to a circular value chain, ecosystems not only become more complex, but also more important than ever.
In our new Smart Factory, we show our clients how Deloitte's strategic alliance partners enable them to drive innovation, solve complex challenges, and gain competitive advantage.
Together, we empower organizations to reshape their business, innovate faster, and grow ahead of the curve.
It's about getting from insights to impact, igniting the power of people through workflow automation to optimize investments and transform manufacturing.
Here you can witness hands-on how world-class tech solutions combined with a deep technical expertise accelerate the digital transformation of our joint clients.
Cutting-edge software, end-to-end integration and automation are key to breaking down barriers to achieve the intelligent enterprise.
We enable our joint customers to access the collective power of nearly limitless solutions. Together, we don't simply adapt to change, we shape it.
As an alliance, we navigate disruption with confidence by harnessing the power of transformative AI. We spark progress for organizations, people, and customers.
The future is smarter. Smarter operations, smarter management, smarter factories. Here, in the new Smart Factory by Deloitte in Düsseldorf, you can really experience the future of manufacturing.